It's December. You know what time of year that means, right? No, not Christmas. Bah, humbug. It's portfolio review time. I want to do a critical review of my portfolio and analyze why 3 areas of my investments have been underperforming, and if it's time, I should bounce from them. I'm Skylar James. Welcome back to the channel. Every December for my portfolio, I ask, is this thesis still intact? I don't only ask that question in December. Really, that's like every day, but it's easier to lie to myself the other 11 months out of the year. But today, no lies, just brutal honesty. Walk through these sectors with me. 2 of my more under the radar investment themes are agriculture and winemaking. I have a couple videos talking about both of them. They're loaded with valuable insights and definitely worth your time. You should check them out after this. As always, thank you for support, friends. In them, there are 2 pure play wineries I highlighted as the winners in that video: Duckhorn Portfolio, ticker Napa, N-A-P-A, and Vintage Wine Estate, ticker VWE. Do I still like them as investments? Yes. Have their stocks done anything at all since I first posted about them? No, they haven't. They're completely range bound. VWE is probably being punished because it was originally a SPAC, and the market hates SPAC stocks right now. And Napa starts to take off and then drops 15%. Starts to take off and then drops 15%. Starts to take off. You guessed it, it drops 15%. With lingering COVID uncertainties, these stocks just haven't had a chance to perform on their own terms yet. They're still conforming to situations outside of their control. Let's see what these wineries do in the coming years. I'm still bullish on them. Agriculture is my other under the radar investment. I gain access to the sector with 2 ETFs, Moo, MOO from Van Eck, and Crop, KROP from Global X. Don't let the umbrella of agriculture fool you. These are 2 very different groups of stocks. Moo is much more your traditional feed the world stocks, fertilizer makers, seed developers, and veterinary supply companies. This entire ag sector has stalled since the spring. There's nothing pushing them higher. Remember too that Moo has a globalized portfolio and is suffering from virus and supply chain issues. Crop has a different problem. Crop is being punished because it leans on stocks associated with the next generation of food production. Plant meat companies like Beyond Meat and beverage producers like Oatly are big allocations and big losers on the year. Both of those stocks have lost around 50% year to date. The market has not liked their slowing growth rate and the increasingly crowded field of corporate competitors. So where do I stand on these 2 as investing themes? Well, does the Earth's population still increase by 200,000 people per day? Shake your head up and down. Yes, it does. Do all these people need food? Yes. Does anything about this theme's performance in 2021 change my long-term outlook? Absolutely not. This sector is a future-proof inflation hustle with perpetual demand from its market. I'm still bullish on it. And finally, let's talk about cannabis investments. You know that's one of my areas of expertise. I've produced several videos on that sector already this year. Cutting right to the chase, these stocks have sucked. You know why? Because a federal law change we all thought would be coming this year has gone absolutely nowhere. Names like Scott's Miracle Grow and Hydro Farm, remember that the market is a forward-looking mechanism, and when these stocks were priced higher, the forward look was legalization with massive market growth and increased revenue as a result. But that legalization hasn't come. Timing this investment will be hard, but remember what I always say about this sector: commercial growers aren't in control of their margins. They are an inflation headache. They have no pricing power in the grand scheme of the cannabis supply chain. The biggest winners will be the pick and shovel plays like Scott's, Hydrofarm, Weedmaps, and Leafly. Remember, GrowGen is a customer of the pick and shovel plays, a middleman, not a pick and shovel play of itself. So I'm still bullish on those other 4. I have no doubt that eventually their time will come. Are they worth holding in my portfolio in the meantime? I'll be giving a hard look over that in the coming weeks. I'll put some links down in the descriptions for you to check out the analysis on these ETFs. Make sure to let me know what you think, whether or not you agree with my theses. Cannabis, agriculture, and wineries, which are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.